Little ghost, you're
I love you.
listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth.
I wish I could take it all back.
Everything
I did to you.
climb the walls, no one sees me.
Except for
No
Kelly.
one but you.
Except for Kelly.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
What happens to our baby?
No one's gonna take him from me this time. I want Adalind and Diana. I want my son! I want them all back. Adalind!
I'm so glad you're okay. I'm gonna have our baby next.
But together we can make something beautiful.
You should have never fallen in love with Brooker.
For our son's sake, we can't be like we were.
Now you're gonna regret it.
I was worried.
I'm not coming.
Be careful. No, you. And I can't let you go without you knowing how I feel about you.
Adalind. Where you first told me you loved me.
I love you.
You've always loved the strange birds. I want to fly into your world. I want to
You're
be
alive.
heard.
Yeah, so are you.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved